Hello everyone, let's do some hairstyling again. Keep your hair ready. So make a ponytail and create a gap behind it using your finger. Drop the tail into it and make it completely come down. And split the tail into two and tighten it a little bit. Then close the gap by combing your hair. Then split the tail into three parts and have it braided with each other. You know how to braid it? Keep crossing the braid until you reach the bottom. It's very simple. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Make the braid flat by stretching it out and fold it to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Then decorate with your favorite hair clutcher on top of that. Have a ponytail and loosen the rubber band a little bit and create a gap behind it using your finger. Drop the tail into it and make it come down. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and stretch the middle one and stuff the tail to the last part of the rubber band and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher. Make a ponytail and move it 180 degrees to the right after twisting it. Then have a beautiful hairpin attached to the rubber band from left to right and secure it on the opposite direction. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail, attach the tail to the last part of the rubber band and push it down. Have it even more downwards by having a little hairpin to the rubber band. Have a little strip of the hair saved at the sides and make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and pinch out the hair on the top section for boosting out the design. Then create a gap behind your ponytail using your finger and drop the entire tail into it and make the entire tail come down a little bit. Then after that tighten it, then close the gap by combing your hair. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and attach the tail to the last part of the rubber band and move the entire ponytail to the top and have it in place by dropping a very beautiful hairpin on top of that. Grab the entire top section of the hair and hold it with your hand and have it tied with a rubber band, making a lovely ponytail. Then after that, with the back section of the hair, split them into two sections and insert a hair loop on the right side and have the entire left section go into the right and make it completely come down. Then do the same vice versa for the right side as well. Then after that, with the remaining section of the hair we have along with the tail we pulled down, have it combined and have it split them into three parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Then roll the braid to the top and have it in place by extending the hair and hiding it. Then secure the place by dropping a little hairpin underneath. Then drop in your favorite hairpin on top of that, decorating it even more further. So choose lovely hairpin out of your collection depending on your fashion choice. Make a ponytail and create a lump at the bottom and secure it with a little rubber band. And with the tail we have a rubber band attach the bottom part and move the tail to the top, having it cover the lump. Then attach the tip to the last clip of the rubber band and have it downwards by having a very beautiful hairpin to the rubber band and push it down. Then extend the band for adding the extra volume. Hold your ponytail on top and have very beautiful hairpin attached to the rubber band from bottom and have it secured on the opposite direction. Have a rubber band attach the top part of the tail and attach the tail to the last loop of the rubber band and push it down. Have it even more downwards by having a little hairpin. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and move the tail to the top and have it in place by dropping a 3-in-1 hair clutcher and twist the middle section of the hair at the bottom and have it attached to the second clutcher. Then the left section goes to the third clutcher and the right section goes to, you answer it, the first clutcher. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and stuff the tail to the last clip of the rubber band and have it down and push it inward downwards by having a little hairpin to the rubber band and adjust the band for volume. Thank you everyone for watching this video.